Hey there. If you've encountered the dreaded sponsor block this merchant issue on Cash App, don't worry. This week, I'll guide you through some effective steps to understand and resolve this problem, helping you restore your transactions and get back to your financial activities seamlessly. Steps to fix sponsor block this merchant on Cash App. Step 1. Understand the issue. Before diving into solutions, it's important to understand why the sponsor block this merchant message pops up. This typically occurs due to security reasons or issues with your transaction history. Understanding the root cause will help you in navigating the right fixes without any hassle. Step 2. Review your transaction history. The first action you should take is reviewing your transaction history on Cash App for any unusual activity that might have triggered a block by the sponsor. Look for repeated failed transactions, disputed payments, or unusual amount, and ensure all your past transactions comply with Cash App policy. Step 3. Contact Cash App support. If your transaction history seems normal and you still encounter the issue, it's time to reach out to Cash App support. You can do this directly through the app by navigating to your profile, selecting support, and describing your issue as sponsor block this merchant. The support team can provide you specific insights and assistance in resolving this block on your account. Step 4. Verify your account information. Another common reason for this method could be outdated or incorrect account information. Verify that your linked bank account and cards are up to date and active. Ensure your account details such as email, phone number, and address are correct in the Cash App settings to avoid any processing issues. Step 5. Wait and monitor. Sometimes the block might be temporary. After taking the above steps, wait for a reasonable amount of time and monitor your account activity. It's not uncommon for such issues to resolve automatically as the app updates or systems refresh. Step 6. Consider alternative methods. If the issue persists after trying all possible guidelines, consider using alternative methods for your transaction. Explore other payment options or apps to complete urgent transactions while waiting for a resolution with Cash App. Resolving the sponsor block this merchant issue on Cash App can feel daunting, but with the right steps, you can tackle it effectively. Whether it's reviewing transactions, updating account details, or reaching out to support, each action brings you closer to a solution. Remember, it's all part of maintaining a secure and functional financial tool. Take these steps today to regain full access and enjoy a smoother transaction experience. Happy transacting.